Oh, so smooth. Wow, you can just do it in one finger.
Yes, even a little finger. Oh my god, it's still hard now.
This is so hard, right? This non-slipper clutch.
Okay.
The number one.
I'll use all 4 fingers, in that I'll use 1 finger.
So hard, right?
Yeah.
Hi friends, I'm right now on to my friend's workshop, which I was telling about, like Motoden. You can see Motoden written. So this is the workshop which I was giving an intro in every of the video I was usually posting from last few times. So this is the place. You can come here and you can do you can give it for any modifications, or even for regular maintenance also. You can just come here, you can visit. So we are changing the clutch plate, so we are upgrading it to slipper clutch, and this is the one. So this is the slipper clutch, and this is 2018 slipper clutch. So price rate that time it was 2025. Right now in 2019 there is some slight change in the price, and there is a hike in that price. So if you possible, if you are planning to change, get this 2018 one, because it will be cheaper than 2019. And there's, trust me, there is no change in mechanical or anything, only the price refreshment is there, that's it. So right now what all we need to change the slipper clutch. So first you need to get the slipper clutch from the Tvs service, as well as this is the gasket. So you have to purchase this gasket, and this is the price, 94 rupees. So you can get it easily from Tvs service center. So these two you have to get it. So now we will continue on fixing the slipper clutch. This is so hard, right? This non-slipper clutch.
Okay.
The number one.
I'll use all 4 fingers, in that I'll use 1 finger.
So hard, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so smooth. Wow, you can just do it in one finger.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Even a little finger.
Oh my god, you can do it in little finger.
up. Told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times to be
I've
strong.
been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time